Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a double layered sleeve. To start, I have my two sleeve panels and two bands. The bands are what we're going to use to create our double sleeve effect. This would also determine the measurement we would need for the sleeve and the band. So my band is 15 inches long and 2 inches wide. This is also going to be sewn on a fold. So my sleeve is 7 inches long. However, the overall length for my sleeve is 6 inches, and I've added an extra 1 inch for seam allowance, half an inch for the shoulder allowance, and half an inch for the hemming allowance. So the reason why the band is 2.5 inches wide is because it's going to accommodate the overlap and also add to the overall length of the sleeve. So when you fold or overlap your sleeve on your band, you're going to lose some length from the sleeve panel. So the band is going to accommodate for that length and add to it. So I'm going to secure the band on my sleeve with some pins. Then I'm going to sew on a 0.5 inch seam allowance. So if you've noticed, the length of the band is longer than the width of the t-shirt sleeve. This is because, as I said earlier, we're going to fold or overlap our sleeve on the band. So we need to be able to accommodate for the fold. So I suggest when you're cutting yours, you add 1 to 2 inches extra to your band in order to do this. So once I'm done securing my band, I'm going to sew on a 0.5 inch allowance, and I'm going to overlock it to give it a more professional look. So at this point, I'm going to fold my sleeve. I'm going to overlap my sleeve on my band, and I'm going to ensure that I still have my overall sleeve length. So I should be having 6.5 inches at this point. So 6 inches is the overall length of my sleeve, and the half an inch extra is the shoulder allowance. So once I'm done measuring and I'm okay with that, I am going to sew a double stitch half an inch away from the flap. So my first stitch is going to start half an inch away from the overlap. If you're not good with straight lines, I suggest you secure the overlap with some pins. I'm not going to do that this time around because I've managed to poke myself 5 times while filming. Once you're done, this is what it should look like, the double layered sleeve effect, so which looks like you're wearing 2 t-shirts. So I'm going to trim off the edges and we are done. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe. You'll be supporting my videos if you do, and it would encourage me to make more videos. So until next time, have a good day. Bye.